Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you, Jesus. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Let's go. Right. God bless you. Welcome back. That was the signature. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you a very nice 736 stuff. You see, I'm back with my 736. I heard some people, guys in Lagos, Nigeria, said, "Oh, that guy's that wants to kill us with 736." I mean, no. I mean, I'm just giving you various stuff that I know. Like I said in one of my videos, I know a lot of them, so I just decided to share them with the world. So why not? So let's learn this today. Very nice one, simple also. We're going to be in the key of F. Right. So let me know the country you're watching from. You can put that in the comment section. All right. So we're gonna let something like this. For you, so you're gonna do something like you do miracle, so and I won't waste any of your time. I'll just go straight to the. I'll go straight to the teaching. I'll show you everything I just played now. How it is. But before then, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you can see the flyer on the screen. I taught all that in the flyer for over 2 hours. So everybody should get that. All those topics, everything you get is pre-recorded already. It's not like you are going to have some sets of classes. It's already pre-recorded. It's already recorded. Yours is just to buy and enjoy for life. You have access to it for life. Just don't share. All right. So it's $7,500 for people in Nigeria, $12 for people abroad. This link to get it is in the description. All right. God bless you. I'll be expecting you. Bye. Right. So let's face today's stuff. All right. All this stuff, you learn everything and more in the course. So what am I doing here? I'm in the key of F. I'm trying to cover up for 736. If you don't know that, you should buy my beginner's course. All right. So let's go. So this goes like this. So I did a move from the 5 to the 6 on the left to meet A flat diminished 7 chord. But that was like doing the drop 2 of the chord, because when I reached D, while I was holding D, that was almost like doing a drop 2 for this chord, which is A flat, B, D, and F. So I did a drop 2 for it. Then I came to this the neighbor also. No, is it neighbor? That's not a neighbor. This is actually a family member. I came to the next family member, their inversions, and also did a move from A to B and played F diminished 7 chord. So right, then I also did another move from B to C sharp with G diminished 7 chord, drop 2 also. Then if another move from A flat to B flat. So I'm opening you up. Some of you already know this because some of you play them like but now you are seeing other possibilities like this, right? Then to your 6. So this 6 chord is this is a D minor what? D minor 9. Sorry, this is D minor 11. Is it 11? 9 minor 5. This is D minor 9. All right, so that's the notes: D, A and D. Then we have E, F, A and C. And if I'm wrong, just let me know in the comment section. But you have to prove it rightly. Don't just come and say you're wrong only to prove a wrong point. I mean, I don't like seeing people like that just because you want to talk. So don't do that. Be sure you're gonna make corrections. I'm open to such corrections. All right. So that's the chord. If I were you, let me just give you a secret here. You can take this stuff. You want to sound good, take this stuff, learn it, then go down chromatically, and you'll be playing a lot of nice stuffs, right? So look at that. So I didn't plan this, right? God bless you.